news. She said to pick her up, but that's a bad call. Timing, I don't wanna regret it when it goes wrong. Yeah, well she's in my car, but she's out of my league. Only in my arms temporarily. She looks pretty when she grits her teeth, cause her boyfriend sucks and she knows.
This is a cute scarf. I'm obsessed with scarves lately. Plus, I cannot say gray. I don't know, should I get there's better things I can get actually. I don't know if I should buy a gray or a black coat. Like my options are gray. You can't even see it. It's gray or black. Black or gray. I don't know. Also, the material is nice, so good. I don't know what I feel. It's like shopping done. Did someone leave their card? Thank you. These shoes, they're so ugly, but I love them. I don't know if I have a seating area. Oh, is this a sitting area? Great, this old bed. Anyways, I just finished having dinner. The shabu was great, not the best I've had, but it was still great. Enjoyed it thoroughly. And now I'm gonna go to Olive Young, try to see if I can find the Anua serum. If you follow me on TikTok, then you would have seen that I bought the Anua serum on coupon, but it appears to be fake, so I'm gonna go and see if I can get the real one. The dogs are so cute. I feel so hot, like after having a hot meal and I have this hot jacket on, I feel hot. But anyways, let me get to what I'm doing so that I can go home. I'm tired now of being out.
I found somebody, I say you don't cross my mind. And she doesn't know that your favorite place is still mine. Now I take the long way home, avoid what I can't let go. I don't always think about you, but sometimes I do, 'cause sometimes I drive through all of the streets we used to on First Avenue. 'Cause sometimes I don't even know where I'm going at first. All of the turns that I had to unlearn, back to the surface, the feeling of all that we were. I don't always think about you till First Avenue. That's when I do. That's when I do.
I have the cream cheese. Guys, my wig almost fell. This is so good. I also got these ones. This is how these ones look, but they're very hot. And they have custard shoe paste inside. So sweet and hot.
It's the end of the year. Everywhere on TV, couples and Christmas trees, gift wrapping and cheer. Just the worst time to be without someone special. In all the movies they're kissing in the snow, holding hands and mittens, baking together at home. I like the movies when I'm walking in the snow, cold hands and mittens, eating gingerbread home. I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, snowflakes and...
Hi guys, welcome back to another day of the vlog. I just got home from work and I am hungry but I am lazy, so I'm gonna take whatever I can find in my fridge, whip together something to eat real quick. I'm gonna show you guys my lazy day meals. So yeah, let's get right into it. It's not even gonna be anything fancy, but as long as it's a meal that can fill me up, I'm good.
Take my hand, we're gonna go to Central Park as friends. Lie under blue skies, sunshine, a bottle of wine. Talk about our daydreams, hey, it seems we're kind of alike. Wave our hands at every single airplane in the sky. Under blue skies, sunshine, a bottle of wine. Talk about our daydreams, hey, it seems we're crossing the line. Hey, how have you been? We're on our way to Central Park again. Lie under blue skies, sunshine, a bottle of wine. Talk about our daydreams, hey, it seems your hands on my thighs. Wait, is this right?
Dinner is served. I don't even know if I can call this a salad, but my meal for tonight is served. So let me go ahead and enjoy. It's good, but I don't know if it's gonna be filling. If it's not, I'll just have a bagel.
So I try to move a little faster. Was to lose. So before we fade away, let go of your worries.
Let's do my skincare with me. I'm gonna start by cleansing. I ran out of oil cleanser, so I've been using this one. It's the Mixune Bean Cleansing Oil. So I use cleansing oil first. Guys, don't come for me. Now I'm still learning how these skincare things work. So don't come for me. This is how I normally do it. And if I do anything wrong, just correct me. Don't be mean about it. Just correct me nicely, you know. So I do that. And then I go in with water. The Cosrx cleanser. Rub it in. I just pat my skin, then go in with some toner pads. I use this one, the Manicure. So I got this as PR from Purito, so I need to review this on my TikTok. So I've been trying it for a while to see how the product works on my skin, and yeah, so this is what I'm using, the serum and then the moisturizer. Just go in with the serum and the moisturizer. And then I'm done. Like, I like to let it sit on my face and dry. Apparently it's supposed to like repair your skin barrier, your cream. So, and my skin barrier has been like, it hasn't been the best honestly because it's winter. So I really need the repair. It's drying out really quickly, and it's like everything is being soaked in. So I really need the repair. And yeah, that's me. I don't know if I'm gonna put the mask, the wrapping mask on or not, but essentially that is me. Good night.